Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Jeep Grand Cherokee oil. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies, like new oil, a filter, and a drain pan. Next, safely lift your vehicle using jack stands and locate the oil drain plug and filter. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process, saving you time and effort. Remember to have a plan for proper disposal of the used oil. Now, let's drain the old oil. Start your engine for a few minutes to warm the oil, making it flow more easily. Position a drain pan, capable of holding at least 7 quarts, directly under the drain plug. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old oil to flow out completely. This process usually takes around 10 minutes to ensure a thorough drain. With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Always check that the old gasket isn't stuck to the engine. Once the old oil is fully drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque. Now, add the recommended type and amount of new engine oil through the fill cap. Start your engine and let it run for a minute, checking for any leaks around the new filter. Finally, turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and then check the oil level on the dipstick to ensure it's correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.